anyone in the VC? I say hi.
They're plotting. They're scheming.
I don't know if it's okay. Can I go in? I don't know.
They're plotting. They're scheming. What was that? Hello? Wait, was that? Wait, has somebody been talking to me like in the Discord? Because I'm sitting in Discord because I just figured. I don't think this game has in-game audio. What? Did somebody meow? Hello.
Hello.
It's Faye. How long have you been here?
Oh no, I just popped in to say hello.
Oh my god.
I wasn't here that long.
Did
Hello.
you?
How are you?
I'm good, but were you the one that meowed?
No.
Oh. I thought I heard somebody meow.
Might have been someone else.
I'm being messed with.